All right, we're starting with 1 cup of our pistachio frosting. Next, I'm coming in with my Cool Whip Extra Creamy, and I let this thaw. We're adding this whole 8 ounces of Cool Whip into our bowl with our frosting. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious, no bake dessert. It's perfect for spring or summer. It's so yummy. I found that pistachio frosting at the store, and I just knew I had to make this delicious dessert. So we're getting all of that Cool Whip out. And now we are gonna whisk those two together. That frosting smells so good. Now, if you don't like Cool Whip, you can make homemade whipped cream, which is some heavy cream, but we are mixing that together until we get a nice light green hue. Ooh, this is gonna be good. All right, now that that is perfectly mixed, we're gonna put that to the side and we're gonna grab a medium-sized bowl and we're gonna come back in with some more pistachio. We have the pistachio instant pudding and this is the 3.4 ounces. We're gonna use this whole box of pistachio pudding because this is gonna be the game changer. Now, of course, we're just gonna make this to our box instructions. So I have some cold milk and we're gonna add 2 cups of cold milk right into our pudding and get this nice and thick. All right, that looks good. Pour that all in there. And we're gonna get the most beautiful pastel green dessert. I absolutely love making this. I've made this a couple times with strawberry frosting, with cream cheese frosting, but we're doing a different kind of spin on this. Like I said, I found that pistachio frosting and I knew I had to use it, but we're using it in a way that I've never done it before, and I really think you guys are gonna love it. All right, I think this is all mixed together, so we are gonna pop this in the fridge for about 5 minutes so it can get nice and thick. All right, this has thickened up super fast. We're gonna bring back our Cool Whip frosting mixture and we're gonna pour this right into our mixture for an extra pistachio delicious dessert. All right, and we're gonna swap out our whisk for a spatula, get all that goodness out of there because we wanna make sure we don't leave any of it behind. And now we're gonna go ahead and fold our pudding in with our Cool Whip frosting. Ooh! All right, we have a double pistachio dessert. This is gonna be so great if you're hosting people for Easter or even for St. Patrick's Day. This would be really fun. You could even use it for Mother's Day. It is so sweet, it's so delicious, and it is so easy to put together. I absolutely love making this because it is just yummy in my tummy. All right, I think this is already kind of well blended together. We have that beautiful pastel green here, pistachio green, if I may, and we're gonna bring that to the side, and I have a even smaller bowl. Yep, you have to use 3 bowls for this, but we're gonna put this right into our bowl so that it's gonna be prettier for presentation because this is gonna be such a pretty dessert. Okay, that looks good enough. And I have some fresh pistachios that we can just put on top as a little bit of decoration and a little bit of crunch. If people want some crunch with this, a little saltiness with the sweet. And then this is a pistachio dessert dip. So we're gonna bring in our little charcuterie board and we are gonna bring in some dippers. Now to start, I found these super cute spring chessmen butter cookies. I don't know if you guys have had these butter cookies, but they are absolutely delicious. And these ones are so fun because they have, look, a little sun, a little house, a tulip, a flowering pot, and that is gonna be so perfect for this spring-inspired dessert. Now for some freshness, I really think that strawberries will go so nicely with our pistachio flavor. So we're just gonna put a few of these right next to our cookies. And then I did just have some mini pretzels left over. So I'm gonna add those right next to our strawberries as a salty little option. So you guys can choose whatever dippers you want. You could do some Oreos, you could do some apples. You can use whatever that you think goes with pistachios. Yummy. Dessert dip is ready. So you can just go ahead and grab a cookie and dig in. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so good. I love pistachio everything.
Is it good?
You guys are gonna love this.